everyone, my name is Zia and today's episode is exciting. It's about customer service versus customer intimacy. While many of you already know about customer service, but majority of us have absolutely no idea about what customer intimacy is. And customer intimacy is something which is very crucial in 2021. So what is customer service? Customer service is a generalized approach in building customer relationships. It could be proactive and it could be reactive. Proactive means that you anticipate your customers' needs or queries or their concerns or their likes or their preferences before your customer contacts you or asks you. What is the reactive support? Reactive support means that your customer contacts you, lodges the complaint or the queries or concerns, and you address them timely and you solve those issues. So in order to be successful in your customer service or efficient in your customer service, you need to be both reactive and proactive. These both approaches are very crucial in customer support system or building a customer relationship. What are the skills required for customer service, for good customer service? First, attentiveness. Second, attention to detail, ability to listen carefully, addressing to the needs, solving the issues and problems timely, maintaining the professional behavior, and of course, never replying in an angry tone. I have seen that many times businesses respond to customer in a non-professional, angry way. If your customer lodges a complaint, you should be very professional in answering or addressing that concern or that complaint. You should never lose your control. You should never be angry in your replies. Your tone should be very subtle, very calm, and very professional. So what is customer intimacy? Customer intimacy is the targeted approach. It is actually the total support. This means it includes everything: customer support, customer service, being proactive, being reactive, connecting with your customers, and engaging with your customer. This is very important, that you need to first connect with your customers and engage with. It is a marketing strategy to get closer to your customer. It means that you're putting your customers first. It's like creating a good old friendship bond with your customer. So in order to develop your customer intimacy with your customers, it is important to be present. You yourself should be there. It should not be like the customer feel that if he or she is actually communicating with a chat bot or with a robot or with a machine, but he or she should feel like that it is being connected with a human. So human connection is very important in developing a successful customer intimacy. This means that you are always there whenever customer approaches you. Your doors are open. You listen to your customer. You take his or her advices in developing your future products, customizing your future products or existing products. You take care of your customers' needs and preferences, and your designing of the product or services are aligned with your customers' needs or preferences. First important thing in any customer intimacy is trust. If the customer or client trusts a business, it means that the customer intimacy has been developed. So what are those 5 strategies for developing a successful customer intimacy or a customer relationship bonding? First is that your doors should always be open. That means a customer should know how and where to get connected with you, and he should or she should feel that his or her queries are being entertained. Number 2 is that your company needs to be customer centric. Against, customer should be your first priority. You need to leverage custom data. Whatever data you have been developing or collecting, you should be able to track it, maintain it in order to improve your services. And then finally, you should offer customer-centric policies. It means good return policy, because if the company is offering a good return policy, customers take the risk and they buy the products. They try the products and buy the products. So you have potential customers. So today we discuss about customer service versus customer intimacy. And if you really want to work on your business communication strategies, business customer service strategies, then focus on customer intimacy. Be connected with your customer, engage your customers, and develop that trust, the bonding that the customer needs. If there are any questions, don't forget to ask in the comments, and I'll be always there to help you. Take very good care of yourself and happy business.